So, Woody, Hershey got new toys. And Lana, you already bent them. Why did you bend it? Anyway, so there's Hershey having a genuine good time. I shall find Woody.
Woody is sitting. Need to wait for him to wake up.
There he is. Here.
He's awake?
Yeah. Hey man, check out this new toy that my sister already bent.
Mine is broken. Mine is short. Oi!
Oh. Hey, Woody.
Cute.
Woody. Whoa!
You're looking. Oh, Hershey.
I want to play with Woody. Usually they go so insane for these, right? Can you move around? Usually they go crazy over this toy.
I was playing with them while I was watching My Hero Academia.
They're not watching Hero Academia anymore. The TV's off. Also, JoJo's Bizarre Adventure is superior.
Make them dance.
No, I want him to play with it like a real boy.
Let's also make them dance with it. We use the toys to make them dance.
Mama, can you play with Hershey somewhere else?
Hey, look at Hershey's face. Hershey, look at the camera. Look at the camera. She's done looking at cameras. Now it's her.
She didn't even look at the camera.
No, I put her at the camera.
Yeah, but we couldn't
Now
see her.
it's her.
We only saw her forehead. It was like a forehead close-up.
Now it's her chin rubbing time. Chin rubbing time first. Chin rubbing time.